Hi guys, right, let's see whether these potatoes survived the 2 ices. Mice Piper, 20th of 3rd, 2022. Now we've had bad ice and snow. Let's see whether they've actually stayed with potatoes or turned into massive pea shooters. Well, water gallons, let's see. This one, soil's very wet. These are the flowers you get from Lidl, etc. Not too bad, we've tried to regrow again, so we'll snap it off. You're not too bad. Just turns to pulp. So was that. Yeah, well, just press it so hard, get it squeezed and flies over. Yeah. A lot of them rotten, blown. All we'll do is we'll keep these for seed potatoes. Let's keep from that. Just rot it away. So these we're going into the black bin, not going into the green bin. These bits we'll just recycle them, recompost them. It looks like everybody else, the mice has turned into giant water pistols. Plenty of weeds. What do you say? That one, well and truly rotted away. So the UK again has been hit by cold weather at night, so we'll empty that into the bin. I'm not going to put it into a green bin in case any diseases in there. Very much doubt there will be, to be fair. I'll just put all this stuff back in there now. And a normal. We'll reuse this soil again next year. That is also left. It's fair, they've actually gone really scabby. Next, King Edwards. This I think is going to be the same because this was bulged out. The soil is very wet. A couple of strong ones, but no, even they've gone. A few small ones have survived, but nothing, no big ones. You see, they're all just rotted away. just full of rotted potatoes. I'm not going to bother with them few, they can all go in. Yep. Just rotted mess. So like the rest of us, Teddy and all them lot, Tony, we've just got rotten mush. And I'll be honest, I'm not going to save them either. We'll just bin the whole lot. Now my other concern is, Challenge 22 that we did last year, I stored some potatoes in the greenhouse. Thing is though, how have they survived? I think it'd be a case of, I'll go and grab them. I'll put the soil back in there. I'm going to grab these. Now these potatoes are the Picasso, which are a main crop. This is the old 22 challenge. Have they survived in the greenhouse in a box? Yes, and that's just it. They're a little bit soft. I'm going a bit mouldy. Bolts. He's chitted. I'm going soft. Once again, chitted. Now, smaller ones, a little bit soft, especially that one. Now they've survived. As you can see, it's got mouldy. Rest of them it's doing okay. I can put these in the house now actually, stop any more damage. I will keep that as well. So yes, mine come to the frost as well. Lost all them. Looks like I'm going to be buying seed potatoes this year. Except for the Picasso. Now whether I left it too late, you don't think. Right, see you all again.